This is a Hallicrafters SR160 VFO. The four critical components to replace in there is this capacitor, this capacitor. Both of those have to be ordered from Surplus Sales of Nebraska. Then there is a 10 ohm resistor right here and a 47k ohm resistor right here, and that seems to take care of a lot of the drift. Also make sure that this screw and this screw right here are tied down real tight. Don't get these capacitors too far away from the coil or too close to the coil. If you get them too far away, they'll run into the side of the metal shield and short out. Also make sure this arm over here, this shorting arm, grounding arm wire, I make sure that it's far away from the coil. This is your coil to adjust the VFO, and this is your capacitor, variable capacitor. And it's too bad they didn't put the adjustment controls on the same side of the radio. Kind of makes it a hassle having to go from one side to the other. And this resistor right here is an 82K. Changing that to a 1 watt resistor seems to stabilize the drift of the meter, the S meter, so it'll stay zero.